Annotation automation is a tool that helps teams to streamline their annotation workflow by automating the labeling process. It provides a platform for teams to manage annotation projects, assign tasks to annotators, track progress, and ensure annotation quality control. So this is the default annotation workflow where you have a data set that you want to annotate, and once that's done, it's completed and ready for training. So you can customize this annotation workflow to as simple or as complex based on how you want to control the annotation process. For example, if you want to divide out the work and delegate responsibilities for a large data set, especially in cases where you have a team that outsources the labeling tasks to external parties, you can actually split the data set into multiple asset groups. And you can add multiple dataset blocks in this workflow and assign each asset group to one dataset block. You can assign team members to label each subset of the dataset. And you can have multiple team members who could be labeling the same images. So you can add consensus blocks to automatically compare and resolve duplicate labels by keeping the more precise ones. Team members may also have differing opinions on how the objects of interest should be labeled. So you can add in manual review blocks to have a domain expert or a team lead to review the annotations and request edits if necessary. Once you have the initial dataset labeled, you can train a model on Nexus. This trained model can be deployed on our cloud servers and used for model-assisted labeling. This can be automatically triggered in our annotation workflow by connecting a trigger block to a dataset block, meaning that whenever new images are uploaded to a particular asset group, the model will automatically make predictions on those images, and the predictions will be saved as labels. Aside from customizing the workflow, team leads or managers can analyze the labeling performance metrics, such as time taken per image per labeler, and annotation progress of the whole dataset. This includes how many images have been completed, how many images have not been annotated, and how many images are pending review. Overall, the annotation automation feature is a way to manage and accelerate the entire labeling process, ensuring pristine annotations that will help in training robust models.